pleasant morning, everyone. Dignitaries on and off the dais and dignitaries who are present on the virtual mode. We are inaugurating second National Mega Lok Adalat for the year 2021 in the entire state of Karnataka. We seek your Lordship's permission to commence the program with the Khalsa song. Please.
State Legal Services Authority, Honorable Chief Justice A.J. Sadashiva, former Judge High Court of Karnataka, Honorable Judges of High Court of Karnataka, and all other dignitaries on and off the dais. It is my proud privilege to extend warm welcome to you all this morning. Win-win is an attitude, not an outcome. Khalsa through Mega Lok Adalat proposes to achieve this win-win situation to the litigants. Since its inception, Khalsa has been striving hard to achieve constitutional goal put in concrete shape by the provisions of Legal Services Authorities Act, so as to provide qualitative legal service to the marginalized sections of the society in a structural manner with its network of District Legal Service Authority and Taluk Legal Service Committees. The Honorable Chief Justice Abhay Srinivas Vogue, Chief Justice High Court of Karnataka and Patron Chief, Karnataka State Legal Service Authority, is an embodiment of great human values and always an inspirational force for our success. His Lordship has accepted our invitation to preside over the inaugural session of the Mega Lok Adalat. I, on behalf of Karnataka State Legal Service Authority and High Court Legal Service Committee, extend respectful and affectionate welcome to His Lordship. We are proud to have in our midst today Honorable Chief Justice A.J. Sadashiva, former Judge High Court of Karnataka and the first Executive Chairman of Karnataka State Legal Service Authority. With the enactment of Legal Service Authorities Act 1987, on 19/4/1987, Karnataka Legal Aid Board was merged with the Karnataka State Legal Services Authority, and His Lordship took charge as the first Executive Chairman and served till 7/3/2002. Thank you all. Namaste.
Thank you, Shri Shashidhar Shetty. I humbly invite Honorable Shri Justice Arvind Kumar, Judge High Court of Karnataka.
Media, ladies and gentlemen, legal aid and services owe their origin to the days of French Revolution. As you all know, in India, the concept of legal aid was first introduced by Justice P.N. Bhagavati under the Legal Aid Committee formed in 1971. Legal aid means providing free legal services to persons who are not able to afford legal representation and access to the legal court system in India. Free legal aid is necessary to provide access to justice to all, which is the object of legal services institutions. Access to justice for all is the vision of legal services in India. Initially, State Legal Aid Board was constituted for the purposes of providing free legal aid to the weaker sections of the society. The said board was completely managed by the state government. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of Legal Service Authority, assure the Patron-in-Chief and the Honorable Chief Justice and this august gathering that all efforts would be made to achieve the object of Legal Service Authority as envisaged under the Constitution and under the Act. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. It's time for inaugural by lighting the lamp. May I now invite Thank you all. Let the light guide our way and shine the lives of all who have reposed faith in the judicial system.
It all began in 1976 in Gujarat when Justice P.N. Bhagavati came out with this novel concept of holding Lok Adalat. At that time, Lok Adalat was not supported by law. However, Lok Adalat movement became very, very popular even before coming into force of the Legal Services Authority Act in the year 1987. So right from 1976, now the Lok Adalat movement has come to stay. During the dark days of pandemic, we were able to hold 3 mega Lok Adalats. The first one was Mega Lok Adalat. and this is the fourth one during the pandemic. My brother, Justice Arvind Kumar, has already showed the figures on the screen, how successful the Lok Adalat has been. In fact, if you look back and see the statistics of even national Lok Adalats conducted in state of Karnataka, always Lok Adalat is immensely successful story. As I said, now for decades, Lok Adalat exists. Now time has come for us to innovate and develop new ideas. Apart from the concept of permanent Lok Adalat, we need to develop the concept of continuous Lok Adalat. In many cases, accident cases, in some other cases involving individual disputes, we find that in conciliation meetings held before the Lok Adalat, the parties are close to settlement, but they are not able to settle. There is some difference of some amount. Now, these are the cases which should be again posted in the next Lok Adalat, or rather they should be posted in successive Lok Adalats.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.